equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the keyboard on your Lenovo IdeaPad Y910-17 ISK. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your device. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out gently. This step is essential for your safety. Now, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back cover removed, locate the keyboard connector. It's usually situated near the top of the motherboard. Gently disconnect the keyboard cable by lifting the locking tab. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Next, you will need to remove the screws that hold the keyboard in place. There are typically a few screws located at the top of the keyboard. Once these screws are removed, carefully lift the keyboard from the top edge and slide it out towards you. Be cautious not to pull too hard, as there may still be a cable attached. Now, it's time to clean the area beneath the keyboard. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This step is important for maintaining the performance of your laptop. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Once the area is clean, take your new keyboard and align it with the mounting points. Slide it into place and reconnect the keyboard cable by pushing the locking tab back down. Secure the keyboard with the screws you removed earlier. After the keyboard is in place, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws you removed from the back cover, ensuring everything is tightly secured. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop to test the new keyboard. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the keyboard on your Lenovo IdeaPad Y910-17 ISK. If you encounter any issues or feel this process is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.